Hi, I'm Dr Shawna D'dharan and I'm an Associate Dentist at Elite Dental Group. Today, we'll be talking about dental crowns, and one of the most common questions is, do dental crowns ruin my teeth? Dental crowns are done to protect weak teeth, to restore a tooth back to its original form and function, and it also helps to prevent worsening of cracks or fractures in your teeth. In order to fit the crown over your teeth to restore it to its original shape and function, the crown needs to be trimmed on all its surfaces, on the top and the front and its sides as well. The amount of trimming that will need to be done will vary depending on the type of crown that's going to be done. Metal crowns such as gold crowns need the least amount of trimming because a thin sheet of metal can be very strong. But full porcelain crowns like this one need a lot more trimming because it needs a thicker amount of material to prevent it from cracking or breaking and to give it sufficient strength. Remember to check with your dentist on which type of crowns would be best suited for your condition as well as your needs. To find out more, visit us at www.elitedental.com.sg.